How to remove plugins from Roblox Studio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can remove plugins from the Roblox Studio. It's a simple process and you don't need any extra tools. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Roblox Studio and load the game that you're working on. And once it's loaded, go to the plugin tabs in the top of the screen that is beside View. Then click on Manage Plugins in the top left corner of the screen. A window will appear listing all of your installed plugins. If you click on the green check mark next to the plugin, disables it temporarily. Disabling it removes it from the plugins toolbar, but the plugin is still installed. To completely uninstall a plugin and free up the space, click on the three dots on the right side of the plugin's name and make sure that the window is large enough to see all the options. Then select Uninstall from the drop-down menu, and the plugin will be removed. And if you want to find new plugins, I recommend using a web browser. You can go to Roblox Creator Marketplace and select Plugins, and this will give you more options for searching and installing plugins compared to using the toolbox within the Roblox Studio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.